onions. Derek peeled and chopped all these potatoes. And now we're gonna get going on the chowder, clam chowder.
Sorry.
Because today is Kally's 19th birthday. We're gonna go to Oma and Opa's house for dinner and celebrate her birthday. And yep, it was the weirdest thing not waking up to her this morning. I did not like it. And I'm sure it's the first of a lot of years now that she won't be around. Sucks. All right, I'm gonna get going on this chowder. I gotta triple it for all the peoples that we're having dinner with. So tripling the clam chowder. If you want this recipe, link is below. It is so good. I don't know if we'll use all of this, but pretty close. So we'll see. Let's use this chopper that I've had forever.
Go.
Think about it after I've done a ton of onions. But I'm wondering if I need, well, let's just see. Wow, look at that.
And what do you guys do?
What is this supposed to do?
This cuts an onion.
Can I try?
So go ahead, you have to like slam it down. Okay, ready, go. Yeah! Woo! Good job, Austin. I love the smell of onions. So actually I didn't need all that because I'm tripling it. I'll save these onions. All right, I have extra potatoes in this bowl. They're in water. I have extra onions. I think I'm gonna make some hash browns. So I've got potatoes and onions in here, and now I need celery. Celery and potatoes and clam juice. And we're gonna simmer these just until the potatoes are like almost there.
Open a sheet for me.
Like right when they're there, we'll throw them into the milk mixture. I'm gonna have some leftover eggplant parmesan. It's so good. I love it with ricotta cheese in it, and there's one without. Absolutely love it with the ricotta cheese. Oh, so good. All right, I'm making Derek some home fries with the leftover potatoes. This has olive oil, salt, pepper, and butter. All right, now I'm gonna hit it with some green peppers, some of the leftover onions. At the end, we'll hit it with some garlic and some other seasonings. And let it cook for a little longer. They have got garlic and tarragon and thyme and seasoning salt, pepper, red pepper flakes. So now Derek's adding some eggs, and he's gonna finish this off. That is so yummy. Oh my gosh. Yum. veggies steaming away. Derek's potatoes are done. He already grabbed a bowl of those. Now I'm working on the chowder mixture, starting to thicken it up with some cornstarch, and I'm gonna add some salt and pepper. It's gonna be so good. Okay, I just added all the veggies in. We're gonna dump all the cans of clams in. All right, we have the chowder thickening up. It's doing its thing. Derek made the pudding for me. Now we're gonna put the trifle cake together. I got the cake. Derek made the pudding. And you need Cool Whip. For all my friends that live on the other side of the world, like the UK, I don't know what you can compare it to. A lot of people have left it in the comments. If I find out what it is, I'll put it in the description box. But it's probably good that you don't have this stuff. It's just pure fat, but it's absolutely delicious. All right, I'm gonna wash my hand. Okay, so Jonah is gonna help me with the trifle. We usually put it in this bowl here, but we're gonna be feeding a lot of people.
Instead of our little family.
This would have been a better bowl, but we already have the pudding in it.
So we're gonna use this bowl.
This big bowl.
Nice bowl and like it has a
It's not gorgeous, but whatever.
has an inconvenient handle, but it makes it kind of a little bit more interesting.
So,
Like there's really no good way to hold it.
what we're gonna do is we take some of the cake. Is your hands are still clean?
Yes.
And we make one layer like this. Okay. And then I'm gonna have you pour some of the pudding on top.
This is why you do it. The big smiles, those little surprises.
Here, put this on that side.
Kinder Joy is a simple way to add surprise.
Alright, sir.
Over 50 new toys to build.
Put a layer of that on here. And then once that's smooth, we'll put a layer of the Cool Whip on.
I started to smooth.
Okay. Just okay. We got a saying here.
Telling you now, we're gonna go all the way up, 'cause we got it all figured it out. For the both of us, we've been rolling out, top down. Telling you now, we're gonna go all the way up, 'cause we got it all figured it out. For the both of us, we've been rolling out, top down.
Okay, we're heading out. We have the trifle, 2 slow cookers full of chowder. We have some more still in there, but our family won't get through this. So by the time we get home, that will finally have cooled off. I mean, that takes forever to cool down. So we are good for the next little bit. So we're gonna go have dinner.
Happy birthday